Okay, today we're diving into King's Engineering College in Sriperumbudur. Now, for anyone going through admissions, the number you'll need is its TNEA Code, 1207. Let's get right into it. So, what's the first thing you need to know? Well, there are three key things here. One, it's an autonomous institution. That means it has more control over its syllabus and exams. Two, it's a Christian minority college. And three, it's been around since 2001, sitting right on that very strategic Chennai-Bengaluru highway. All right, first up, let's get into the college's identity and its background. All the essential details you'll need for your initial shortlisting. Let's break down the key facts. Since it's affiliated with Anna University, admissions are through TNEA counseling, and the admission split is pretty important. It's 65-35. That means 65% of the seats, the majority, are filled through the government quota, and the other 35% are for the management quota. So what was the big idea behind the college? Well, its founding mission tells us a lot. The goal was to make technical education accessible, especially for students in that area, and to do it within a campus that's really focused on discipline and structure. The college's story starts back in 2001, when it was established by the Chartian Educational and Health Trust. Over the past couple of decades, it's been growing steadily, adding new programs. And just recently, it hit a major milestone, becoming an autonomous institution under Anna University. That's a big deal. Okay, now for the part you're probably most interested in, the academic programs and the accreditations. Let's see what you can study here and what the official quality signals are. In total, the college has 660 undergraduate seats. And as you can see, there's a heavy focus on computing. Computer science, IT, and AI and data science each have 120 seats. Of course, you've also got your traditional branches like ECE and mechanical, plus some really interesting specialized programs. Now, this is interesting. The college isn't just sticking to the old branches. Since 2019, they've brought in 4 new age specializations: biomedical, robotics, and 2 different programs focused on artificial intelligence. It really shows they're trying to keep up with what the industry demands. And of course, a really important checkmark here. All the BE and BTech programs at the college have the green light from the All India Council for Technical Education, or AICTE, for the upcoming academic year. That's a non-negotiable. But regulatory approval is just the start, right? What about overall quality? Well, the college has been assessed by a national body. It's accredited by NAAC. So the big question is, what's the grade? The college has a B+ grade from NAAC. This grade reflects an assessment of the whole institution. We're talking teaching quality, infrastructure, student support, the whole shebang. And this isn't some old rating either. The accreditation is current and it's valid all the way until February 2027. So that gives you a reliable quality benchmark that will cover your entire 4 years of engineering. All right, academics are covered. Let's switch gears and talk about the practical side of student life. What are the hostel arrangements like, and how easy is it to get to campus every day? Good news for students planning to stay on campus. The college has separate hostels for both boys and girls, and they're both located right there on campus. The mess in both hostels serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. Getting to the college seems pretty straightforward, mainly because it's on that main highway. The college has its own fleet of buses that run from Punamali and other nearby areas. Plus, it's also connected by several public city bus routes. Finally, let's look at financial aid. What kind of support systems does the college have for students? This section covers the scholarships and awards available. So it looks like they have a few different ways to help students out financially. The college helps students get government scholarships, and it also offers its own management scholarships for merit, sports, and students from economically weaker backgrounds. On top of that, there are awards for academic toppers, and even a special King of Kings award for the best outgoing student. Just a quick note before we wrap up. All the information we've presented here is based on data we gathered from the college's official website and from trusted government portals at the time we put this together. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.